Hello, my name is Prabjeet Singh and I'm the president for Uber in India and South Asia. We invited you to participate in our Samvad initiative 3 months back, and more than 18,000 of you have written to us with your suggestions, comments and questions. We also heard your concerns in more than 40 driver samajas over the last 2 months. Today, I'm here to talk to you about some of the improvements we have made as a response to your concerns in the last 2 to 3 months. Firstly, a big thank you for your continuous participation. Before we start, I want to emphasize that our trips recovery has been improving steadily over the last 2 months, and we have confidence that this trend will continue. Now let me start sharing with all that we have done to make your experience better. You told us the need to be able to withdraw cash daily from your account. Good news, we have introduced faster payments with on-demand cash out feature so that you can get paid every day just by one click. Go to the earnings section and click on the cash out button. Accept as many digital trips as possible and still get paid on the same day. You told us that Uber should appreciate driver partners who have been with us for a long time. December is a month for a special thanks to the driver partners who have kept us moving in 2020. Towards the end of December, we will appreciate select driver partners. We are currently in the process of analyzing the rewarding opportunities. You told us many a times you find trips with fares lower as compared to your expectations on the platform. Based on your feedback, we have made improvements in fare calculations, and I can now assure you that across most cities, now fare calculation accuracy will be 20% better. You told us you require more clarity around paying arrears to Uber. To enable this, we have started sending you the exact payment amount that you owe through messages every day. We are offering online payment options and have also increased the number of cash collection centers in the cities so that you can comfortably make cash payments at a center near you. We heard that you require relief around costs of running your own business, especially renewing vehicle insurance. Hence, Uber is facilitating an exclusive short-term insurance policy along with pre-negotiated and discounted rates. Now, you can buy insurance for short time periods like 3, 6, 9 months. Please check your Uber app for more details. To keep your safety as our top priority and ensure social distancing measures, we had introduced an Uber office appointment process with easy slot booking through the app. Post the feedback from you, we have made improvements in our processes to increase appointment slots by up to 50% so that you can get your issues resolved with ease. There is a new app feature which will help you know in advance if any of your essential documents is going to expire in the near future. In addition, if your account is on hold due to any reason, now you will see guided instructions in your app to understand and help you go online faster without a need to walk to the Uber office. Now, I will take your leave. I hope you found these changes useful. This is just the start of our journey to make Uber better for you. The more you talk with us, the better we will understand your needs and act on it. We'll talk very soon. Please stay safe and don't forget to keep the Samvad going. Wish you and your loved ones a very happy and safe New Year.